presenting the Mi 10T Pro 5G. The phone has display of 16.9 cm, 6.67 inch, 20:9 aspect ratio and 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution. 144 Hz adaptive sync intelligent display and 395p pixel density. The phone also has timed burst, FHD Plus LCD multi-touch capacitive touchscreen and FHD Plus full screen. It has 108MP triple rear camera and 13MP ultra-wide and 5MP macro mode. It has 20MP front camera. It has panorama mode, portrait mode and document mode too. 6 long exposure modes and photo clones. It comes with standby time of 535 hours, 5000 mAh lithium polymer large battery and talk time of 26 hours. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, and Box and Type-C connectivity. It runs on Android V10 operating system. It is powered by up to 2.84 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. It also features touchscreen and rear camera, front camera and dual_SIM. The delivery box contains handset, power adapter and USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, and user guide.